Welcome back to the weekly watch list. Let's dive in to look at some of the assets I'm keeping an eye on and looking to take action on this week. First on the list, we have the Nasdaq, otherwise known as US Tech 100s. Now we're in a bullish trend. Again, looking at this, I've mapped out where the potential target for the growth of the week if it was to go very well. Now, realistically, looking where the price is right now, we're a little bit away from the daily setup. So for me to be able to get in and hold this for the duration of the whole week is very unlikely without a pullback, right? So I'd need to see a pullback to get back to our daily bust up before getting in to hold it for the duration of the week. Otherwise, what I'm going to be paying attention to is my shorter term opportunities where I can look for some scalps or some intraday setups, which is going to be my 4 hour bust ups. You can see the way it closed on Friday, just had one as well. So I'm going to be keeping on to see how this opens up on Monday and then looking for potential opportunities for some short term scalps along the week. Next, we go on to our currencies. So, again, looking at the pound US dollar, similar sort of setup right now. Now, again, it's a little bit overbought short term, where it's quite far away from the daily 10 and 20 on. I would really look for some short term opportunities with the 4 hour setups, where again, I'm looking to take short opportunities in and out within a few days. Again, a good spot. So, I'm going to see how this opens on Monday. Going to be very interested to be trading this come Monday. We've then also got the pound Aussie dollar. Now, if you look at this on a daily setup, again, not too bad, but still not at the bus stop. So I either need a pullback before looking to take a trade at the daily setup, or again, we could pay attention to them 4 hour setups where we can get in, okay, and take them short-term profits. So one I'm keeping an eye on. Next, we've got our commodities. Now I'm looking at a high-grade copper. I really like the look of this one. Again, mapped out the potential for the week. For me to be able to get in and hold it for the whole week, I would like to really see a little bit of a pullback so I can sit in a position with a bit more confidence, should we say. So I'm probably going to be looking at early parts of the week for the 4 hour setup, see if this comes and then look to take my trade. If it doesn't and it breaks out, then I'll look for that daily setup, but definitely one for the watch this high grade copper. And then we've got soybeans as well. Again, next one we're looking at really a little bit oversold. This is for a down trade. The other four have been bullish. This one's a bearish trade. So it's a little bit away from the daily 10 and 20 at the moment. Okay. However, if we look at this on a 4 hour setups, again, we could be seeing some good opportunities on our 4 hour setups and we're looking to take it down for the weekly target. So that's the five I'm keeping on this week. Make sure you don't miss out, guys. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell.